Hello, today I'll show you how to change mouse settings in Dome Keeper. First, of course, go into Options, then in Options go into the Input section. In the Input section, simply look for the mouse usage settings and you can simply customize the mouse, usage in the game. As you can see, you can customize everything right here. You can snap keeper aim to cardinal directions. You can show keeper aim indicator. Use mouse to control sword dome slice. There are also other options as you can see here. And when you customize your settings, simply tap apply to save them. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.